Well, good evening. This is our first family camping trip. And say hello, everybody.
The last night of our first family that was success.
Yes, successful. We prepared for rain just in case. We're going to demonstrate our Jiffy Pop over the fire popping skills by the master barbecuer himself, Tim Brzezowski. And we got to show you this moon. Looks like crap on my phone, but it is really a spectacular moon tonight. So let's get in close over this beautiful fire. And we got a lot of... Did we have fun at the water park today?
Yeah. Yes.
Was it fun? What was the best ride?
Scorpion's tail.
Anaconda.
Scorpion's tail.
What about you? What do you think?
Black anaconda.
Well, best ride?
Surfing?
We're on...
Noah's Ark thing.
Oh, the one you didn't want to go on?
See, now, you like Noah's Ark, you would love Scorpion Tails. You would love... Yes, you would.
Christine, best ride?
Noah's Ark.
Noah's Ark?
That Noah's Ark was probably... It was a good, close second.
All right. Let's get the show on the road. We're burning through video.
So what? We got all...
Oh, yeah,
all
it's
night-
digital. Don't matter.
Pause it.
Huh?
So you got a pause button?
I do. Okay, we'll come back when
Just
the
hit
popping
pause.
gets
Don't hit
popping.
stop, hit pause.
Is it sizzling yet? Survey the scene. This is their little tent.
I lost my light.
Huh?
You had light.
There's Timo trying to figure it out.
That's not Timo, that's Tim B. Or Uncle Tim. This is their tent. And ours is way over there. You can't see it because it's too dark. Well, we had a real great setup.
This will take a few minutes or like a few more seconds.
I see a lot of tired people.
Yep.
A lot of good physical activity, good exercise this weekend.
Next time we're going. Stop popping popcorn.
It took a long time last night. We're going to pause it up. We'll be back. All right, and I think we got it. I think it's going.
Alright.
There we go. Hurry.
I got it. I'm here.
This will get like really big.
All right, get video, everyone. Get video yourself.
Nope, come on. That's the thrill of the thing is the Jiffy Pop. Let's do it. I got it. Just hold it over the fire. Ooh!
I guess when it starts popping, you need to shake it.
I think it's good. You're going to burn it. Yay! Everybody see Jiffy Pop.
Jiffy Pop.
Okay, and today is June
Wait, we got to pop it open.
16th?
How do you do that? Just break it?
We had a knife last time. Where'd the knife go?
Use a poker.
Okay, here. There you go. Woo! June 16th, 2016. Happy camping, everyone.
Bye.
Here.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
Take a video yourself.
Good night. Okay. All right. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.